ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचेत्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वयस्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणा मूर्तये। Shloka Vyakyanam was over. Now we have to see the Vartika, 9th Vartika introduction. Yaduktam anukaranam jagat iti तद व्यापक विरोधोपलब्धि पराहतम इति उपपादयति। यदुक्तम अणुकारणम जगत, what was said by वैशेषिक न्याय मत, that अणु is the अणुकारणम जगत. अणुकारणम जगत is what? षष्ठी तत्पुरुष। जगत अणुस कारणम इज जगत. So then how will you open that vigraha? But how will you do jagatah karanam anu? Anu karana, anu karanam is together, jagat is away. There is no samasa between karanam and jagat. Anuhu karanam yasya tat jagat, not saha, tat napunsakalinga. Anuhu karanam यस्य तत् अणुकारणम जगत. इट इज बहुव्रीहि समास फॉर नपुंसकलिंग. जगत इज नपुंसकलिंग. यदुक्तम अणुकारणम जगत इति तद व्यापक विरोधोपलब्धि पराहतम. दिस इज द व्यापक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. It has attained defeat. Vyapak virodha means in general everybody accepts this kind of view that anu is the karanam, means materially some atoms are there. So vyapak virodha upalabdhi parahatam. So that has been defeated. Parahatam iti upapadayati. That is, so now what is Bhagavan Bhashyakar has already said, that upapadanam he does. How this commonly, we will not say popular view, but common view is avicharakrita view is defeated. Now that upapadanam is done. अंकुरादिफलान्तेषु कार्येष्वस्तित्वमिष्यते. कार्येषु कुत आगत्य संबंधा वटबीजेषु ते कणाः अंकुरादिफलान्तेषु कार्येष्वस्तित्वमिष्यते कुत आगत्य संबद्धा वटबीजेषु ते कणाः कुत आगत्य संबंधा वटबीजेषु ते कणाः. कणाः इज बहुवचनम. कणाः, by कणाः what they mean is परमाणुस. संबद्धा is विशेषण for कणाः, so it will also be संबद्धाः, and then visarga lopa will happen. What will be the sutra for visarga lopa? भो भगो अघो अपूर्वस्य योषि. So that's visarga will not be there. Similarly, kuta agatya, kutaha agatya, there also visarga lopa is there. Ankuradi phalanteshu, starting from ankura, ankura adi yesham te ankuradayah phala antah. So starting with ankura and ending in phala, this is the journey of a tree. Ankuradi phalanteshu karyeshu astittvamishyate. In all of them, what is anugatam is astitvam, sat, in the form of ankura asti, vriksha asti, पत्र अस्ति, पुष्प अस्ति, फल अस्ति. इन दिस वे शाखा अस्ति. कुत आगत्य संबद्धाः ते ते कणाः वटबीजेषु कुत आगत्य संबद्धाः. दोज कणास परमाणुस in the vatabija. Vatabija, so you have to understand the vatavriksha's origin. So you can understand this way. Some bija you had put, let us say. Okay. From that bija came ankura. From ankura became vriksha. From vriksha there are shakhas, patra, pushpa, phala. In all of them, what do you see? Do you see bija? In ankura onwards everything? Do you see? No, you don't see. Then from that phala, which is the end product of the whole thing, in that phala there will be seed or not? In that seed, from where parmanus will come? If in entire journey you don't see parmanu, then in the end, vata bijeshu. So now vata bija here, you can take that next seed which is going to become part of another tree. In that, the kanaha, parmanavaha, sambadhaha, which are all held together, kuta agatya, from where did they suddenly come there? Which you are saying is going to give rise to next ankura. Tika. Karyeshu sarveshu anvitataya upalabhyamanasya upadanatvam iti. Iti sthitau means this is the main thing. Karyeshu sarveshu anvitataya upalabhyamanasya upadanatvam. What is the sthiti? Sthiti means this is the position, this is the condition. What is the condition? Condition means this is the scenario. That in all karya, sarveshu karyeshu, yad anvitataya upalabhyamanam tad upadanam. Correct? What will be upadanam? In all effects, that which is anugatataya upalabhyam. So like in all products of clay, घट, शराव, and what do they call? Kumbha. In all of them, Mrit will be Anvitataya Upalabhyamanam. And that's why Mrit is the Upadanam. Iti Sthitau. Sarvatra, and therefore, that being the case, Sarvatra Satta Matrasya Anvaya Darshanat. Parmanvadehe Tad Adarshanat. In everything, whose Anvaya you are seeing? Satta Matrasya. And of Parmanu, you don't see Anvaya. Parmanvadehe Tad Adarshanat. Tad Adarshanat means Parmanvadehe Tad Adarshanat. Tad Shabda will refer to what? Karye? No. You see previous line. Sarvatra Satta Matrasya Anvaya Darshanat. Parmanvadehe Tad Adarshanat. What will be Tad? Anvaya. Sarvatra Satta Matrasya Anvaya Darshanat. Parmanvadehe Tad Adarshanat. So that Anvaya is not seen of Parmanu, but Anvaya of Satta is seen in everything. Clear? What Pratipadanam we have to do? That in all Karyam, Satta is Anugata. It is Upalabhyamana. Parmanu is not Anugata, it is not Upalabhyamana. Straightforward. So, Sarvatra Satta Matrasya Anvaya Darshanat. Parmanvadehe Tad Anvaya Adarshanat. Therefore, Sat Shabda Vachyam Brahmopadanam. Therefore, what is referred by the word Sat? Sat Shabda Vachyam. Vachyam Brahma. So don't start thinking Brahma is the word meaning or the Vachyartha. Brahma is not Vachyartha. Here Vachyam means Lakshyam, you have to understand. But what it is, the implied meaning of the word Sat. Brahma is the implied meaning of the word Sat. Sat Shabda Vachyam, because Brahma is actually Avachya. Correct? Brahma is Avachya. Sat Shabda Vachyam. Brahma Upadanam. Brahmopadanam. Brahma eva Upadanam. Brahmopadanam. Brahma is the Upadanam. नाण्वादयः इति वार्तिक श्लोक तात्पर्यार्थः न अणुवादयः. अणुवादय आर नॉट उपादानम. ब्रह्म एव उपादानम इति वार्तिक श्लोक तात्पर्यार्थः. सी, वार्तिक श्लोक is given. It is not given shloka vartika. Vartika shloka and shloka vartika, what is the difference? In Purva Mimamsa, Kumaril Bhatt has written, Kumaril Bhatt ji has written Vartika. And those Vartikas are called Shloka Vartika. So they are popular, they are famous. So anywhere, if you see Shloka Vartika, you have to understand this is Purva Mimamsa Vartik. So to not get confused with that, he has written the word Vartika Shloka. Shlok Vartika is famous under his name. So here Vartika Shloka Tatparyartha. And Vartika Shloka is the Shloka number 9. Purvardha Akshararthastu Spashta eva. Purvardha means how many padas? हाँ, first upadas. Purvardha means first upada. That he says Purvardha akshararthastu spashtayava. That is spashtam. I don't need to explain it. Then he explains the next part, Uttarardha. Vata bijeshu charama karya bhuteshu te kanaha parmanu lakshanaha. Vata bijeshu charama karya bhuteshu. Because he says Vata bija is charama karya. Not Vata bija as the karanam. Vata bija is charama karyam. Charama karyam means Ankura, Vriksha, Shakha, Patra, Pushpa, Phala, Tasya Bijam. This is the final product. Charamakarya. Charamakarya-shu bijeshu te kanaha parmanu lakshanaha. Those kanas, they are parmanu lakshanas. So they are the Paramanava. Kuta agatya sambadhaha. From where did they come there? Because we could not see them anywhere in Ankuradi, etc. In all of them, Astitva is there. Asti, Asti, Asti. That is Anugatam. Tesham Dvyanuka Matre Anvaya Sambhavepi. Tesham, Kesham. No, you have, whenever any Sarvanam is there, you have to see immediate Purva Nama. So, Tesham, what is the immediate Purva Nama? Bija, but here Tesham will be Kananam, Parmanu Lakshananam. For Kana, it will go to, because in those kanas, in those Parmanu Lakshana, Dvyanuka. So these Tesham Dvyanuka Matre Anvaya Sambhave. In of the Parmanus, their Anvaya is possible in Dvyanuka. Parmanus Anvaya is possible in Dvyanuka. Dvyanuka Matre Anvaya Sambhave api Sarva Karya Ananvayat. But in all Karya there Anvaya is not there. So Tesham Kananam Parmanu Lakshananam Dvyanuka Matre Samanvaya. Parmanus Samanvaya will be there in Dvyanuka, because two Parmanus will become together to form Dvyanuka. Dvyanuka Matre Anvaya Sambhave api. So their Anvaya is possible. Sarva Karya Ananvaya. In all Karya their Anvaya is not there. You can say in Dvyanuka I can recognize Parmanu. In everything else you cannot say I recognize. Recognize doesn't mean only Pratyaksha, but somehow I can figure out. But in everything you can't say there is Anvaya of Parmanu. Sarva Karya Ananvayat nate upadanam ityarthaha. न ते कणाः उपादानम् इत्यर्थः. द्व्यणुकादीनान्तु त्र्यणुकाद्यन्वयित्वे नास्ति प्रमाणम्. द्व्यणुकादीनां तु त्र्यणुकादि अन्वयित्वे. Of the Dvyanuka Anvaya in Tryanuka, in that there is no pramanam. Dvyanukas have formed Tryanuka, in that there is no pramanam, nasti pramanam. If that is the case, like what do, if you say, Parmanu formed Dvyanuka, therefore Dvyanuka has Parmanu as the Karanam. Dvyanuka formed Tryanuka, so Dvyanuka is the Karanam for Pata, not Pata, for Tryanuka. Then from there, let us say Ankura came. So for Ankura, Tryanuka is the Karanam. In this way, if you say, Tatha Sati, Pindanvito Ghata Upalabhyeta. From Mrittika, if we have, Mrittika is first available in the Pindakara. From that, if you create a Ghata, then Ghata should look Mridanvita or Pindanvita. If we go by your thinking, Ghata should be Pindanvita. But Pinda is not there. Pinda is destroyed to form Ghata. Clay in a lump form. When you transform it and make clay in Ghata form, what is destroyed? Lump form is destroyed and Ghata form is created. Correct? Ghata Nama Rupa is created and Pinda Nama Rupa is destroyed. So, Tatha Sati, Pindanvito Ghata Upalabhyata. If we go by your philosophy, Ghata should be Pindanvita. Shakaleshu Ghataha. And in Shakaleshu Ghataha Upalabhyata. Shakala means the parts of the smaller parts of the pot. So let us say pot is there, you break it into smaller pieces. When the pot is broken in smaller pieces, those smaller pieces are Ghata or smaller pieces are clay? They are clay, they are Mrit. It is not Ghata Anvita Shakala, it is Mrit Anvita Shakala. Then if instead of breaking into smaller pieces, let us say you break Ghata into Kapala, like 2 or 3 big pieces. There, what you should see? There you should find either Ghata or earlier, let us say if it was in Pinda Rupa, you should see Pinda. But you don't see any of this. You see only Mrit, whether in Ghata, in Pinda, in Kapala, in Shakala. In all of them, what is there? Mrit. Mrittika is there. Whether you take Pindakara, Ghatakara, Kapalakara or Shakalakara, all of them are Mrit, Mrit Anvita. So, Akara is not Anvita. You take gold example. Gold is there. From gold, you make chain. So, gold biscuit is there, let us say, lagdi. Then you break that and make a chain. Then you dissolve chain and then you make bangle. Chain is continuing or gold is continuing? You destroy bangle and you create earring. Gold is continuing or bangle is continuing? So, gold has the Anvaya. That is what we are trying to say, that the Akara, Nama Rupa is not continuing. The substance, the Tattva is continuing. So, Tatha Sati, if we go by your philosophy, then Pinda Anvita Ghata Upalabhyata, Shakaleshu Ghataha, Kapaleshu Pindaha, na etadasti. But this is not how it is. The chain or bangle or earring, those Nama Rupas don't continue. There, Vyatireka is there. But Anvaya is there of gold, Suvarna. That is Anvita. So, in the same way, if you want to use this in some other place, in Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, Vishwa is there, Vishwa changes to Taijasa, Taijasa changes to Prajna. न जागरण न मे स्वप्न को वा सुषुप्ति न विश्वो न वा तैजस प्राज्ञ को वा अविद्यात्मकत्वात् त्रयाणान्तुरीयस्तदेको वशिष्ठः शिवः केवलो. So they all are avidyatmaka, Vishwataya Prajna. In them the Anugata is me, because their Vyavartanam is there, their Vyatireka is there. नैतदस्ति पूर्वावस्था विनाशम अंतरेण उत्तरावस्था प्राप्ति अयोगात. Unless पूर्व अवस्था is destroyed, उत्तरावस्था प्राप्ति is not there. पूर्वावस्था विनाशम अंतरेण उत्तरावस्था प्राप्ति अयोगात. उत्तरावस्था प्राप्ति is not there. And nashtas, so after that comma is there, huh? If it is not clear, you make it comma. Nashtasya cha anupadanatvat. And what is nashtam? It cannot be upadanam. Anupadanatvat means tasya upadanatvam na vidyate. Upadanatvam na vidyate iti anupadanatvam. So what he is saying is Purvavastha. Pinda is the Purvavastha or chain is the Purvavastha. Purvavastha is destroyed to create Uttaravastha, bangle. Then Uttaravastha is destroyed because it has become Purvavastha to create further Uttaravastha. So in all of them Purvavastha Nasha is there. So if Purva Avastha Nasha is there, how can it become Upadanam? Its Nasha is there. It is destroyed. So Nashtasya Anupadanatvat. Nashyat Purva Avastha Vayavanam Uttaravasthopadanatve Charamakaryasyapi Paramanava Eva Upadanam iti prasajyeta. Nashyat Purva Avastha Vayavanam Uttaravasthopadanatve. Nashyat means that those which are getting destroyed. Purvavastha avayavanam nashyat. So, as they are destroyed, nash dhatu shatru pratyaya. Nashyat purvavastha avayavanam uttaravastho padanatvam. What is the, if you say, this is his idea, if you say the Purva Uttaravastha Upadanatvam is the destroyed Purvavastha Avayava. Nashyat Purvavastha Avayavana Uttaravastha Upadanatve Charama Karyasyapi Paramanava Eva Upadanam iti prasajyeta. In that case, what will happen? The final product, Charama Karyasyapi Paramanava Eva Upadanam. Parmanu alone will become Upadanam for the final thing also. Tesham cha atindriyatva tad ashritam karyam apratyaksham syat. If Parmanu is the Upadanam of the final thing, Parmanus are Pratyaksha or Apratyaksha? Apratyaksha. Parmanus cannot be seen. Then the final product also will be Apratyaksha only, because Parmanu is their Upadanam. But that doesn't happen. Tesham cha atindriyatvat tadashritam Parmanu ashritam karyam apratyaksham syat. Tasmad sarva karyanvayinah upadanatvam. Sarva karya anvayin. Anvayin will be the shabda anvayinaha upadanatvam. Therefore, that which is there in all karya, only that will have upadanatvam. And that is Sat alone. Tacha sanmatram brahma eva iti uttarardha tatparyartha. So that is sanmatra and that is Brahma. This is the meaning of the uttarardha, the third and fourth quarter. Tritiya chaturtha pada. Brahma eva iti uttarardha tatparyartha. Tatparyasya अर्थः. Up to this is the meaning of the Vartika. Now Purvapaksha. Nanu कार्यार्थिना यद उपादीयते मुख्यतया तद उपादानं प्रसिद्धम. The one who wants to see the effect, karyarthi means the one who is interested in the final product. Yad upadiyate, whatever is taken up, yad upadiyate mukhyataya, as the primary thing, tad upadanam prasiddham, that upadanam is very well known, means that alone can be the upadanam. Taccha bijadi eva, and that has to be bija alone, na brahma satta. You are saying brahma is the upadanam, but you tell me, when you want to put when you want to have a mango tree in your ashram, what are you going to put in this ground, brahma or bijam? You are saying brahma is upadanam. What do you actually use as upadanam? Bijam. See, this is why I said this is the avicharakrita darshan. Means if you don't think and you say commonly this is how we do. If somebody says we want to create wooden furniture, what are you going to use as upadanam? You are not going to say Brahma is the upadanam of my wooden furniture. So this is prasiddham. Yad upadiyate karyarthina मुख्यतया तद उपादानं प्रसिद्धं. तच्च बीजादि एव न ब्रह्मसत्ता. तत् कथं तस्यो आकार इज मिसिंग. तस्येपादानं ने तस्योपादानत्वम् इति. तत् कथं तस्य उपादानत्वं ब्रह्मणः इति चेत् Vedanti says you cannot create this as the argument for us. Why? Tulyam etat. You also have the same dosha. If you say Parmanu is the Upadanam, who goes to get Parmanu to put in the ground? Tell me. Do you go and get Parmanu? If you are not going to get Brahma Satta, you are not getting Parmanu either. You are using Bija. And for the Suvarna Abhushana, you will use Suvarna. For wooden furniture, you will use wood. So Upadanam is not Parmanu everywhere. If you are saying Brahma Satta is not Upadanam everywhere, Parmanu is also not Upadanam everywhere. So you have the same dosha. नहि अतीन्द्रियाः परमाणवः कार्यार्थिभिः उपादीयन्ते विकार्यन्ते वा. By the karyarthi, the one who is interested in the product, atindriya parmanus, they are not taken up, na upadiyante. For the karya, neither vikaryante, nor they are modified. He says, let me change parmanus now. Nobody does that. They change whatever is the structure to form a new structure. Kintu bijadi eva iti. But bijadi means seed or whatever that you see as a wooden structure for wood or gold for golden ornament. Only those things are taken up for creating, not Parmanu. So if you say that Brahma Satta is not Karanam, we say Parmanu is also not Karanam. Samana dosha is there. Then he says further, Nanu tadarabdho vayavi bijam upadiyate iti chet. Tad arabdho avayavi. Arabdha avayavi. Avayavi, so avayava will be Parmanu. And avayavi will be the product of those Parmanus. This is what he is saying. So for example, for the tree, the bija is avayavi, parmanu are the avayavas. For the wooden structure, wood, the raw wood material will be the avayavi and its parmanus will be avayavas. For gold, its parmanu will be avayavas. So this is how the material science, they have divided the whole world into 108 or some material, right? In chemistry, this is what people study. Zinc, aluminum, magnesium, carbon, phosphorus, this, that, iron, and then everything is those things. This is how they will classify. So, tad arabdho avayavi bijam, tad means taihi parmanu adibhihi or परमाणुभिः आरब्धो वयवै बीजम उपादीयते इति चेत् तर्हि इह अपि सो you are saying we don't go and get parmanu as the upadanam, but we get the bija which has parmanu as the upadanam. So here we say, we also in Vedanta, we also take bija which has Brahma as the upadana. If you are saying you take bija which has Parmanu as the upadanam, we say we take bija which has Brahma as the upadanam. So for wood, for wooden furniture, we take wood which has Brahma as the upadanam. For Suvarna Alankara, we take Suvarna which has Brahma as the upadanam. Tarhi iha api means in Darshtanta, in Vedanteshu, Vedante api sad vivarto. The only difference is, in your case, bija is Parmanu Parinama. Wood is its Parmanus Parinama. Whereas in our case, it is Vivarta. So, Sad Vivarto Bijam Upadiyate iti Tulyam. That is, the Samana part is there. Only thing is, you accept it as modification or Arambha, whatever they want to understand. And we take it as Vivarta. So you say if both cases are same, then either one can be chosen. So Vedanta says no, we have one more plus. What is that? That Brahma Upadanam can actually be seen in the Karyam. Parmanu Upadanam cannot be seen in the Karyam. This is the Bheda. Satastu Bije api Anvaya Darshanam asti na Parmanunam. Sadvastu's Anvaya is seen in Bija, and its Anvaya then is seen in Vriksha, Ankura, Vriksha, Shakha, Patra, Pushpa, Phala. In all of them, Sad Anvaya or Brahma Anvaya is seen. Whereas your thing, its Anvaya is not seen. Parmanu's Anvaya is not seen. Na Parmanunam Anvaya Darshanam asti. Iti asti adhika yukti. We have more yukti. Means this is something greater in our thinking which is lacking in yours. Iti alam vestarana. So enough of elaboration now. You should understand by this. And actually here, if you use so at least Drik Drishya Viveka you probably know. But in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangra also this portion comes, that in Vedanta Paribhasha also this is quoted, that in everything not only Asti is there, but Bhati is also there and Priyam is also there. Asti bhati priyam anvaya you will see in everything. Because whatever is there is asti, it is, everything is recognized as asti, asti. Then it is bhati, it is known. And it is priyam to somebody or the other. So, not only anvaya of asti, but bhati also and priyam also. Asti bhati priyam rupam nama chetyansha panchakam adyatrayam brahma rupam jagad rupam tato dvayam uktam eva spashtayati. Now that same thing he makes it little more clear. कारणांतर्गतम कार्य मिति सर्वैश्च सम्मतं तस्मात् सत्ता स्फुरत्ता च सर्वत्राप्यनुवर्तते। कारणांतर्गतं कार्य मिति सर्वैश्च सम्मतं तस्मात् सत्ता स्फुरत्ता च सर्वत्राप्यनुवर्तते. See, in this shloka he adds स्फुरत्ता also. So asti and bhati both he has added. स्फुरत्ता, if you just make स्फुरता, tasmat satta स्फुरता च, then what will happen? That ta is anyway guru in chanda, because dirgha is there. Then what is the purpose of adding half ta there? By adding that half ta, that ra, the previous one, sixth letter, that will also become guru, which is the requirement for anushtup chanda, that sixth letter has to be guru sarvatra in all four padas, and fifth one will be lagu in all four padas. Karanantargatam karyam iti sarvaischa sammatam. Everybody has accepted, all darshanas have accepted that karyam is that which has karana as its upadanam. Karanantargatam, karanam antargatam yasmin tat karanantargatam karyam. This is also napunsakling. So karana is in the karyam, is sarvaischa sammatam, every accepted by all. Tasmat, therefore, what is there in all? Satta and sphuratta. Satta, so this is bhavvachak sanya, satta, sphuratta. Like how you say ghatatva, in that way this satta, sphuratta. Like we say satta jati, sphuratta in this way, but we in Vedanta we don't use the word jati. Satta sphuratta cha sarvatra api anuvartate. They are anuvartamanam, they are present in all. Tika upadanantargatam ityarthah. Karanantargatam means upadanantargatam. Upadanam of the karyam is this karanam, and it is embedded in karyam. Prakashamana satta sarvatra karya matre anuvartate. Karya ka karya nahi, karya matre anuvartate iti saivopadanam siddham ityartha. Therefore that alone is the upadanam. Satta, satta sphuratta also you can say. Sa eva upadanam. Sa satta prakashamana. Satta which is always sphurana rupa. Prakashamana means sphurana rupa. Sarvatra karya matre, in all karya you can see. Therefore, that alone is the upadanam. पूर्व कार्यस्य उत्तरोत्तरोपादानत्वे बाधकमाह. वैशेषिक matam is what is the karanam for pata? Tantu. They will not say Paramanu. They will say Tantu. What is the Karanam for Tantu? They say Tantu Amsha. The parts of Tantu, they are the Karanam. Means immediate Purva Karanam alone they will say. Everything else they will say as Anyatha Siddha. We say that is, it comes already. So you don't have to make that as the Karanam. So according to them, पूर्व कार्यस्य उत्तर उपादानत्वम्. पूर्व कार्यस्य उत्तरोपादानत्वे. In this there is a flaw. Purva means every previous one is the upadanam for every later one. Every previous one is the upadanam for every later one. In that there is a flaw, badhakam. How? See. Pushpe phalattvamapanne क्षीरे च दधितांगते विजातीयाः प्रवर्तन्ते गुणारूपरसादयः. पुष्पे फलत्वमापन्ने क्षीरे च दधितांगते विजातीयाः प्रवर्तन्ते गुणारूपरसादयः. पुष्पे फलत्वमापन्ने. In the pushpa, because pushpa alone becomes phala in tree. So from pushpa, if you say phala has come, then what will be the upadanam for phalam? Pushpam. Because there in phala, pushpa was there, from pushpa phala came. So pushpa is the upadanam. And kshire cha dadhitam gate. Curd is formed because of, from milk. So what is the upadanam of curd? Milk. In them, vijatiyaha gunaha ruparasadayah pravartante. In these all examples, vijatiya guna is seen. Means pushpa's character is not seen in phalam. Rupa or pushpa may be white, phala may be green, pushpa may be red or white, different color. The fruit or the vegetable also, sabji, different color. And rasa will be very different. Pushpa may have no taste, the phalam will be very sweet. Similarly, milk and curd, there is no similarity. How can you say that is the upadanam? So this is the defect in your thinking. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.